Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we took a trip to our little Turkish village and came back with something special. Now you're gonna be seeing what we're gonna be going, but this is not the main reason why we were going, but we just wanted to go because of the kids wanted also to do some stuff, and also we have some things going on there, so we needed to go and actually help my mother-in-law to do some stuff and come back. But on the way, we actually had some fun, and also we had some beautiful things for my office. You might be wondering, did I own an office? I'm going to be telling you. So these are some erics. We are already in the village. These are cherries. In Turkish, we call them erics. They are super sour, crunchy, beautiful, and also healthy. So I'm going to show you a little bit of our garden in the village. This is the nearby garden, just our home, my mother-in-law's home actually. We have a lot of beautiful flowers. My mother-in-law, she's an expert in flowers. I think she's a florist. How do we call them? Her garden is full of beautiful flowers, and she never stops actually taking care of the flowers and other vegetables. Right now it is in spring, and we have beautiful flowers, spring flowers, and also some fruits. As you can see, we have some strawberries. They are not fully ready, but I managed to get 2-3 for my kids to test, okay, after washing them. And like I said, we have beautiful spring flowers, and also my mother-in-law normally actually plants just naturally, like she loves flowers a lot. It's like her favorite thing to do. So her home is made of beautiful flowers, different kinds of flowers, and that's why I normally love to go there, just to feel that greenness and that beautiful scent from the flowers. Now, but here is the truth. My office, where I actually work from home, in my normal home, doesn't have a beautiful flower, and I wanted one. Like I wanted some garden flowers, not garden, some home flowers. These are actually, you can, I don't know if we can put this one inside the house, but my mother-in-law told me that they cannot survive well because they are used to being outside, and it is best if we find another one. So all of these are in the garden, and she normally actually travels with them. Like when she comes to the city, she comes with her flowers. When she goes to the village, she goes with her flowers, and she keeps on watering them and they produce a lot of different kinds of flowers, like just beautiful. Okay, we have a lot of flowers, roses, and all those type of beautiful things. So we had to make sure that we are actually finding one specifically for home. Okay, and also I had to take this one. These are actually naturally like found, especially during the spring. I wanted some, maybe they're gonna do well on my balcony, I don't know, so I had to tell my little boy to help me. Then after a few spending some time there, we had to come back. So on our way, we had to find where the flowers are being actually done, what are being sold, specifically one that you can put both in the garden and also in the home. Now let me tell you a little bit about me, or if you are seeing me, or maybe you are hearing me for the first time. Normally I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I found ways to actually earn my own money even when I'm still at home taking care of my kids. And the main thing is that I do a lot of affiliate marketing, and also I use AI tools to do most of my stuff. And let me tell you guys, I don't live a luxury life, I don't live a fancy life, but I just love doing some things very well that makes my heart feel better. I use Pinterest idea pins to drive traffic to my websites, and I want my place to be super beautiful, and that's why I had to find specifically, I had to find a flower for my office. So we went to this place and we got very beautiful flowers, and I really love them. and that's why we are here picking some of them. They have a lot of beautiful flowers, and this vessel was super expensive. I don't know why she was selling them. We didn't like so much expensive, more than even the flowers, so we didn't actually buy the vessel. I'm gonna get one maybe online, or maybe I'll go to the market. I don't know when. So that's why we went to the village. Actually, that's not the main reason, but that's what we wanted to buy there. Now the kids played, we got some fresh air, and I brought back this beautiful plant to brighten my work corner. Okay, I live not in the village, but in the city, and my office is not like, I call it my office because this is where I do a lot of my stuff, and I love being there. Okay. My office is far from fancy. It is actually my kids' bedroom, but this tiny corner, it's where the magic happens, and I create, study, I do a lot of things here, and that's why we came to pick the most beautiful flower. So after picking, I decided I'm gonna take that one, and we had to go back to home, like drive back home. Yeah, so it took us a few hours. It's not far from where we stay. From our village to where we stay, it's not too much far. I think it is not more than 3 hours, less than 2 hours drive. So we came back to the city, and then I had this amazing welcome from my little friends. I'm gonna be showing you my little friends, who are actually Zili and her babies. So this is Pamuk. Pamuk is a Turkish name. It's one of the kittens that we are taking care. And as you can see, it's in my kids' room, and this is the flower that we got. I had to actually remove. I was given instruction how to do it, like how to keep it. This is the corner that I want to put the flower. It's gonna be there. So I need to buy the vessel. I'm gonna buy later. For now, I need to find some ways to actually how we're gonna be putting it, so it can look so nicely, super nicely. And as you can see, this is the beautiful lily. And what type of flower is this? I even don't know how the names of the flowers, but I think it is beautiful. Tell me in the comment section what type of flower is this, and also how do you think about it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there. I just want to use this one so that it doesn't spoil my mats. And this is the corner where you buy the kittens and the cat normally come to feed. It is just close to where I sit, or where my desk is, or where my office is. And I had to give it some water so that it doesn't dry, and also I was given instruction to do it. And these are actually the natural spring flowers that we go from the village. I'm gonna plant outside. Meanwhile, let me show you a very quick tour of my place. It is not a fancy place, like I said. It is in my kids' bedroom, so I turned this room into my office. Okay, and I normally use AI tools to design everything from influencers to product ads, and I don't need a team. I just need tools like Design AI. I need tools like Flax AI. I need tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Perplexity. I need all those beautiful, maybe great. I need Manis AI. All these AI drive me crazy, and also I keep on learning, studying, and this place is just amazing for me. So this is where my little kids normally love to sleep, and most of the time we hang out around. And most of the time, this is where I do my work. I have some coffee there. And by the way, I'm a very big fan of Turkish coffee, and also just normal coffee. So to prevent some extra accidents, I normally prefer to have an extra table for my coffee and also my water. Okay, so this is where the kids normally do their stuff while I'm also working on my stuff. And this is the beautiful flower. It is there in the corner, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it very well. but I think it is beautiful over there, and I love this place because of the light from outside. It is just closed. This was from my mother-in-law. I picked some, and yeah, that is basically what I do here at home: learning, studying, doing my affiliate products, working on some beautiful projects, and God willing, everything gonna be amazing. Okay, tell me in the comment section, what are you doing recently or nowadays? How is your life when it comes to actually working from? I think the best decision I have ever made is actually to dive into just learning new skills, especially when it comes to AI, and also being a mom, doing affiliate marketing, and also just earning your own dollar online. It gives me that assurance, and also that hope that, and the freedom that one day things gonna be much better, or maybe much more. For now, this is my happy place. This is where I find peace. This is where I come and just dive into what I want to do. And this place has been my most used, apart from the kitchen, where I spend most of the time cooking beautiful recipes for my kids. By the way, they normally have amazing food. I'm a good chef, actually. I'm not just kidding you guys. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video this week. I created I've created a lot of things just at the corner there inside my kids' room, and I highly recommend you, if you can find a desk whereby you can just feel comfortable alone and do some stuff for yourself, work on yourself, and learn new skills, guys. Maybe 10 months from now, you're going to be a step ahead, especially for my fellow females, or maybe my fellow moms. If you can just find time and learn a new skill, maybe even just spend 40 minutes, you're going to be very much far from just sitting around and doing nothing. Okay, so for now, you're going to be seeing my face for most of the time from this corner. And tell me in the comment section, how do you think that flower looks like, or it looks like? I don't know the right English is not my part of my life, but I think you get the point. I'll leave you guys for now, and I'll see you next in my next video. Tell me in the comment section, which one do you want to see more? And we are still on affiliate marketing AI tools, utilizing them for productivity. Bye guys, I love you.